guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and talking through my tanning routine. If you guys are not already subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. My name is Coach Tabith Giselle, and today we're talking all things tanning. And I know for some of you are probably thinking, why does she tan? She's black. And the reason why I tan, guys, is because I've actually got patchy skin. And for some of you guys that are women of color, you know that this is like a struggle that you constantly face in terms of patchiness, in terms of, like, you know, the skin tone and all of that. And that's the reason why I tan, just so that I can have like one color. Also, I like to tan because I really like how glowing it gives you. It gives you a bronzy kind of look, and especially in summer when you're taking pictures, when you're doing your makeup. I just like, personally, I like and love having the bronzy kind of look to my skin. So that's the reason why I tan. You know, I don't do it every single like week or something. I do it like once a month, or sometimes once every 3 months. So it's not something that I constantly do all the time, but I just like how my skin looks much more bronzier, much more like glowier, and also everything tends to be like, you know, the same kind of skin tone, and there's no patchiness. So that's really why I do it. If you guys don't obviously agree with this, then you don't have to watch the video. I'm just showing you guys my tanning routine, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get started with the video. So before I actually start showing you guys me applying the tan, I'm going to show you what tan I use. I currently use the Sant Miraz Professional Fast Tan tanning mousse. That's what I use. So guys, literally to begin the tanning routine, I start off by applying the tan into the mitts, and I just allow the product to absorb it, allow the mitts to absorb the product, and then I literally take it and start applying an even and thinner layer to my upper area, the upper part of my body. So that's what I am literally applying, and then literally I move on to the lower part of my body and apply some tan. The trick is just to apply a really nice thin layer and build it up as you go along. So that's what I did. And before I started tanning, I did prep my skin. I shaved, exfoliated, did all of that stuff, and I moisturized the areas that were a little bit rougher on the body, like my elbows, my knees, and all of that. So that's what I did prior to starting the tanning routine. And then literally I just went into obviously the routine, and then after that I will literally show you guys what it looks like. So it doesn't take me a long time to do, because certain parts of my body I don't tan. It's just like my legs and mainly like my upper layer of my body, and a little bit of my back, because that's where I tend to have a lot of patches. So that's literally what I just did.
While I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
And that is it, guys, for like my tanning routine. It's so simple, it's nothing complicated, it's just all about precision, time, and blending it in, and that's about it. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, dolls. Mwah.